Alright, so in this video we're looking at Lesson 9 Code.org Sprite Properties, and this is a challenge activity. So this we're looking at Tint, which is another option for us. So, scale is also a tool that we can use, and we can affect the picture, so you can change the scale and things like that. But now what we're going to do is change the tint, where we're going to change as it says, the tint doesn't change the existing colors of a sprite, but is more like putting a pane of colored glass over the top of the sprite. So that's a really good way to kind of see that. So let's take a look at the image, and we just have a crowned creature here, and we're going to apply a tint to it. And it looks like they want us to apply, make sure it marks, example would be red. So just make sure to put a tint color in here. So actually, if we go to sprites, we have tint right here. So we can drag that out, and we're going to make sure that you do name it creature, because that is the name of our variable. And if we don't do that, it's not going to know what to affect this tint to. All right, and then the other part is, let's say we want to do green. We can't just use green here, because this would be it just wouldn't work properly. It needs to have quotation marks around it. And if we ran it right now, it's going to error or just not do anything. So this will not work. So we need to make sure we put green, or put quotation marks around the green. And now it has that green look to it. Okay, so you got to make sure you have the quotation marks around this, otherwise it will not be able to know that that's actually the green color. Same thing if you did red or blue or whatever. Just make sure you use the quotation marks, and then make sure that you have the proper name and spelled correctly. Otherwise it will not be able to apply it to that variable that you want. All right, hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.